What is more efficient for a 20,000 gallon pool for Atlanta, Georgia? A gas heater or a heat pump? I'm swayed more for gas as the temp hovers between 70 to 88 from April to September.
I'm partial to gas heaters, but I also live in the Midwest, so pretty much during the pool season, like today, we're probably around 90 degrees, which is nice, but this weather doesn't last that long, and since our springs and falls are quite a bit chillier, gas heaters make more sense. The question is, number one is cost, as far as when I've done work in Florida before, that they all use heat pumps. So the question is, do you have the layout for natural gas or even propane to run a gas heater, or especially it comes to expertise. So down in that area, I don't know how many techs deal with gas heaters or if they're more used to heat pumps. So if you're not a do-it-yourselfer and anything goes wrong, is it easier to get a tech out there to fix a heat pump, or is it for a gas heater? Since the ambient temperatures are typically higher down in that area, a heat pump can work relatively well, especially they've gotten more efficient over the years. So what I would probably do is just kind of check your neighborhood and what's more common in that area, talk to a couple of pool companies and see what they would recommend.